Success isn't about where you start, it's about how determined you are to keep going. This is the story of Michael Harris, a janitor who refused to let his circumstances define his future. Michael Harris worked as a janitor in a big corporate office in Chicago. Every evening, he cleaned the same hallways, wiped desks, and emptied trash bins. To most people, he was invisible, just another worker going about his job. But inside, Michael was different. He had a mind full of ideas and a passion for learning. As he worked, he observed the engineers in the office. He listened to their conversations about technology and business, absorbing as much knowledge as he could. At night in his small apartment, he studied. Using an old laptop from a thrift store, he taught himself the basics of mechanics and electronics. He didn't have a degree, but he had something just as valuable: determination. One day, Michael overheard a conversation about a major problem. The company was spending too much on inefficient waste management. That night, an idea sparked in his mind. What if he could design a better system? He spent months designing, testing, and refining a small device that could automatically separate recyclables from regular trash. It was simple, yet effective, but when he tried to present it to management, they didn't take him seriously. But Michael didn't give up. One day, he got the chance to demonstrate his invention in front of the executives. As they watched his device in action, their expressions changed. What started as disbelief turned into amazement. His system could save the company thousands of dollars. Michael's idea was implemented, and soon other businesses took notice. With his earnings, he applied for a patent and launched his own startup. His company, specializing in smart waste management, revolutionized how businesses handled recycling. Today, Michael Harris is no longer just a janitor. He's a successful entrepreneur and mentor. He now helps underprivileged students, teaching them that success isn't about where you come from, but how far you're willing to go. Michael's story proves one thing: your job title does not define your future. Passion, persistence, and courage can break any barrier. So, what's stopping you from chasing your dream? If this story inspired you, make sure to like this video and subscribe to the channel for more motivational stories. Your support helps us bring more amazing content to you.